Hey, what's up, guys? I got this review video today. Finally got around to doing it. I got this bass by Glarry off of Amazon.com. 87 bucks, man. I didn't know what to make of it. It came with a cord, and it came with a strap. This is not the original strap. This is another strap I had laying around. It's Planet Waves bass strap. Pretty sweet. It's got a little pickpocket on it. But this video is not about that today. But this bass, it's pretty sweet for 87 bucks, man. I was a little apprehensive at first, but I wasn't looking for anything like super fantastic. And it had some good reviews. It's got the jazz bass setup, you know, 2 single coils, 2 volume knobs and a tone, and shout out to Speak Friends. I got their Speak Friends 10-foot cable. It's pretty badass. I love it. Thanks to Guns and Guitars YouTube. He referred me to them, and that's also off of Amazon. I love it. Anyway, enough talking. We're going to get to some tones here. Give you a little headstock view real quick. Alright, I'm on a basic tone here. That's both pickups lit up, alright? We're going to take it down to 1 pickup. I think that's the neck pickup by itself. I'm going to dial the bridge back in and take the neck off. Alright, we're going to dial back in the neck pickup. We got both pickups again. Let's try to knock some of the. Alright, that's tone full blast. We're gonna try and knock some of that tone back a little bit. The tone's about halfway right now. There's the tone full. The other sweet thing about this bass is it came out the box pretty much in tune and pretty much set up all the way. I'm going to have to make some minor adjustments to the action. Intonation seems like it's pretty right on. I don't have a bass amp, but I'm working with what I got. I got a PV Viper, and this is a pretty sweet little amp. It's got a little setup for the bass guitar and the acoustic and the electric. You just plug your instrument in and select what instrument you got, and it gives you the proper simulation, the proper settings. You're more than welcome to tweak it to your own liking, you know. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the review here. I give Glarry 5 stars, man. They did a pretty damn good job. Thank you. You guys rock. And if you're watching this, I'll gladly test out anything else you guys have, and I'll give you an awesome review on YouTube, and it'll be sweet. You know, it'll help me grow my channel, and it'll help you guys out too. I'm all about giving back whenever I can. Thank you guys. Love everybody. Till next time, rock on. Peace.